Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 815 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan on the back of the door. To the right, as you enter the room, you have the various light switches for the room. While right here, we have the do not disturb, please wait, and makeup room switches. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. Right here, behind this door, we have the half bathroom. So we have the sink, the left as you enter, together with a bar of soap, box of tissues, some storage below, and a mirror right above. Well, to the right, we have the toilet with a bin, toilet rolls, and that's about it. Further inside, we have a mirror right here, together with the climate control panel for the living room. And this is a view of the living room itself. Down there we have the dual bin setup, so we have regular waste to the left and the recyclable items to the right. Here we have a place to put luggage. Here we have the dining table with chairs. And here we have the pantry area. Right here we have an empty drawer. Right here we have mugs, glasses, all the tea and coffee making stuff. There we have 4 bottles of water together with the kettle, coffee machine, light switch for the minibar, and a couple of power outlets. Here we have the guest services directory and in-room dining menu. And behind this door we have the fridge. It is empty, so you can put your own items in there. Okay, so further inside the living room, we have another chair, a sofa, a table with the TV remote and a sort of like a TV guide magazine thing. And the TV is right there. It is a flat screen LG unit. As for the view out of the window, I get the pool, the hotel's pool below. You can see part of the north wing of the hotel, together with the green area around the hotel. That is the main slip road, leading to the hotel. And if I want fresh air, I can just pull that open. If I can and it's open. Right, so moving on into the bedroom, we have twin sliding doors. So this side closes, that side closes, and we have a clear separation between the bedroom and the living room. There we have a sofa-like thing with another flat screen LG TV. Another sofa right there with a table, another chair. And we have basically the same view as the living room. Just that this side you can't see the hotel's north wing. Right down there, we have a power outlet. The bed is right there. It is a very comfortable bed. On the left bedside table, we have the in-room telephone, the clock, writing materials, TV remote with a TV guide beneath the remote. And we have all the various light switches together with a power outlet, couple of USB A ports, light right above, and a reading light right here. Time is wrong, it's actually 2:47 in the afternoon, so I'll have to change that later. And on the right bedside table, it is empty, but we also get the same set of light switches, power outlet, USB A ports, reading light, and light as the left side. Here we have the climate control panel for the bedroom together with the light switch for the wardrobe area. Another power outlet down there. And speaking of the wardrobe area, here it is. We have a door. Here we have an empty wardrobe with a shelf right above and a place to hook items on. Here we have drawers with laundry stuff, hairdryer, prayer mat, and a weighing scale. The in-room safe is right there, and we have another shelf right above. Behind this door, we have the in-room slippers below, bathrobes, hangers, ironing board, iron, torchlight, and another large shelf right above. Okay, so opposite the wardrobes, we have the bathroom, or rather the main bathroom, full bathroom, whatever you want to call it. Here we have the light switches for the bathroom. And to the left of the bathroom, we have the sink with a bar of soap, glasses. We have a lot of towels below. And next to the bar of soap, we have body lotion, box of tissues, more towels, and inside that black box, we have all the bathroom amenities. There we have a power outlet together with a couple of USB A ports, a shaving mirror, which comes with a light. And we have a very large mirror just above the sink. Hello. Opposite the sink, we have the bathtub. Here we have the toilet with toilet rolls and a bin. Alright, here we have the towel, place to sit while showering, and it is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower on the wall and the rain shower right above. There we have the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel together with the shower controls. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 815 at Putrajaya Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.